Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Microsoft Planner is a task management tool in Microsoft 365 that helps teams collaborate, organize, work, and track progress visually. Now, once you go to the Microsoft Planner website, just open the Planner app and the Microsoft Teams or the Microsoft 365 app launcher and sign in using your account. If you haven't already, just click the try it for free button and you would notice that all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once you are here, you will be welcomed with all these options. All right, you have the My Day, my Tasks, and My Plans. Now, what I want you to do is go to the left side and click on My Plans. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the Create a New Plan, which is going to be found on the upper right corner, all right, to create a project or task board. You see, if you do that, you will be given some templates that you can start with. You can choose from a simple plan, project management, software development, business plan, employee onboarding, and basic. Right, so you have all these options. Now the idea is if you wanted to start from with a basic with the less in a board, you might want to click on the empty canvas. All you're gonna do is click this, and from here you can simply type in the name right here and add to your pen plans if you haven't already. I want you to click on create. Once you've done that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here. All right, so you can add a task right here. If you do that, you would notice that if you click on add and add a task, all right, there's going to be three buttons here wherein you can simply open if you want to see the information inside of it. You have the bucket as to do. You can choose the in progress, not started, or completed. You also have the option for the priority, and from there, obviously you can have the start date and due date as well. You can add notes if you wanted so that the team members will know that you're working with this specific task. All right, and you can add a checklist that you wanted. You might want to make sure that this is checked so you can show it on card, and you can also add attachment here and click that. Now you can choose to use the grid so that you can add labels. Adding labels has a different colors. All right, if you can choose the pink, red, yellow, and a lot more to identify the progress status. You would notice you also have the option for the bucket. If you go to the board, you can add on the schedule. You see there's going to be a lot of options here in creating more tasks and a simple timeline here, and you can group the task by progress, assigned to, due date, labels, and priority. And you also can choose the assigned to. But there's a lot that you can work with. Now, on the grid view, you can notice that you have the bucket wherein you can sort the ascending and descending. If you click on the board right here, and the schedule and charts, all right, you can add a task here. And after doing so, you might want to click on the share button. If you want to create a group from scratch, you might want to add your members to create a group. And if you want to add to existing group, you're also welcome to do that. Remember that using Microsoft Planner is very useful for small to medium projects and can easily integrate with other Microsoft 365 tools, making it a flexible tool for collaboration and task management. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.